one of the top 2 CEOs globally in 2017, and being a CEO takes its toll on the day-to-day of life and how you behave yourself. Got any tips for us on running the business from a leadership perspective?
Sure. I have some work hacks that have played it very well for me. You probably can't tell, but I'm actually quite introverted. After this, I'll be quite tired, actually. I've had 3 presentations today, met a lot of people. And like a lot of introverts, it's like my battery is really low right now. And the way I work around that at HubSpot is every Wednesday, I work from home. And I have no meetings, no nothing. And that's my day to think, work on projects, not be in react mode, and really crank through stuff. So that gives me kind of a double win. It helps me work on the business rather than in the business. I think you want to try to work as much as you can on the business as it gets bigger, and helps me get away from people a little bit. The other hack I have, and this is probably not going to be popular, but once a month I publish on our wiki my top 7 or 8 priorities, and I think a lot about what the priorities are before I put them on there. And they're the same ones as in my to-do list, and I'll publish them on there. And I'm pretty religious about working on my priorities and staying focused on my priorities. So if somebody asks me to do something that's not on that list, I'm Dr. No on a lot of stuff. I'm not hesitant to say no. I got 3,000 employees who want me to do 3,000 things a week, and I just have to say no, 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 unless it's on my list. You can lobby me to be on the list next month, but I'm gonna work on my stuff. If you think of the way also modern communications work, particularly Slack, but also email. Slack and email is a way for all you guys to get all your to-do list items into my to-do list. And like every time I walk into a meeting, like I have a meeting with you, you've got your to-do list, I've got my to-do list walking me. I want my to-do list to get shorter and yours to get longer. And so I shut Slack off. I just couldn't do it. It's too much. If you really need to reach me, text me or email me. And it was too much. I couldn't handle all the stuff, and it was too much of people putting their to-dos on me. And I make my to-do list, and I think it's the important stuff the company needs to work on. And if I don't get to that stuff and I do all the other more tactical stuff, I think the company will suffer. So I'm a little bit militant about my to-do list.